Commonly, I'll prescribe often B vitamins. So that's probably something else that anyone who's feeling like really fatigued currently, they could pop down and get themselves some B complex. That's a stress formula. It's going to
Yeah.
support all of your energy, the citric acid cycle, to support your energy. I'll give people things like a diet, but I always kind of say, this diet plan, like it's not going to work instantly. So we'll just give you a little bump up with some nutrients. And like I am addressing those citric acid cycle nutrients in at that point. And then, yeah, give them some herbs. And I say, you might not feel anything straight away, but after a few days, like just let me know. And sometimes, and this is pretty common as well, people don't actually notice how much better they're feeling because you always notice how bad you're feeling, but you don't always notice when you're making improvements
Yes.
until they decide to stop taking their herbs, maybe a little bit prematurely, or they ran out and then they ring me and they're like, I need some more of those herbs.
Yeah.
Where's my energy
Yeah.
gone?